welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Ada, and today I'm super pumped because I have all of these Dossier perfumes to unbox with you guys. The first one I got is Fruity Magnolia, and this one I got because it is inspired by Versace Bright Crystal, which I love. So I wanted to see how closely it matches Versace Bright Crystal because it is one of my favorites. The next one I have is going to be Ambery Vanilla, which this one, oh my gosh, this one is inspired by YSL Black Opium, which I was so bummed today because I went to order it because they have a Mother's Day sale. And they had a buy one, get one, but go figure, by the time I got on it, they were already sold out. So I was not able to purchase any during the buy one, get one sale free event. But, oh my gosh, this one smells so good. The next one I have is, oh, okay, this one is a fragrance that is a more masculine fragrance. So if you like masculine fragrances, this one is inspired by Ralph Lauren Polo Blue, and it is aromatic watermelon. And this one does smell really good. I've never smelled the Polo Blue by Ralph Lauren, but this one definitely does smell good. So if you're like me and you know, sometimes like wearing masculine scents, you know, maybe pick this one up. This one's actually right now, it's $19. So definitely worth picking up. Then I have Spicy Mimosa. This one was a complete blind buy because I was like, okay, I want to see what Spicy Mimosa smells like. It's not bad. And this one is inspired by Jo Malone Mimosa and Cardamom. This one has a very soft kind of scent to it. And it does have sandalwood in it, which I love sandalwood. So definitely, I'm glad I got this one. Next one we have here is Powdery Orange Flower. This one is supposed to be inspired by Valentino Vas Viva. Ooh. I like this one. This one has mandarin, ginger, bergamot as the top notes. This one smells really good. You can definitely smell the mandarin, which I'm super pumped about because I really want it like citrusiness, pineapples, kind of fruity for summertime with like a little bit of florals mixed in. So I definitely think this one, I mean, as the name implies, it does smell very orangey. Woody peony. And like I say, I don't know. Like, I picked this one because just reading the notes, again, this one was a complete blind buy. I really thought that I would like it based on kind of like the notes because it has peach and bergamot, freesia. It does have jasmine, orange blossom, and then it has like the base notes as like musk, oak moss, and woods. But I don't know, there's something in this, I can't quite put my finger on it, that like I'm not a huge fan of. It definitely does smell very earthy. I feel like I'm walking through the forest with this one. Not like a bad way, it's not bad. I'm gonna give it, you know, some tries, kind of see if it grows on me, because sometimes they do, like I won't like them right out of the box, but then they'll kind of grow on me and I'll end up liking them. So give this one a try. But again, if I don't like it, I do have the option to return it. So if I do end up returning it, I will let you guys know, you know, how easy or not easy the return process is with Dossier. But so far I have had no issues with their customer service, and their shipping has just, it's always been really quick shipping. And I always make sure to use the catch payment thing on their site, which saves me a lot of money because I ended up getting four fragrances for around the price of like 2 of the fragrances at one point because I had so many points through Catch. So definitely make sure to use that so you save money and you get 10% with every purchase. So it's like you're saving money on the purchase but you're also getting money back because, you know, using Catch, you get the 10%. You get the 10% cash back with Dossier. So if you haven't tried that yet, definitely do it because it's totally worth it. If you guys want to see it, I will show you guys my Dossier fragrance collection because it is definitely growing a lot. And I would love to share that with you guys. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.